Here we have a little teddy bear and three, I don't know what those are, penguins? Let's call them baby bears just for the heck of it. Okay, let's start with the three little bears down below here. You can see that it's all one gear train module, and all three of them are moving at the same time, and they're going to be using the standard rotating cam that we'll see when I open this up a little later. Just trying to give you a variety of views here. And here we go with everything removed, and we can see the three little bears there, and then we can see the standard head bobbing and shoulder movement that's pretty common in these toys. Let's take a look at the Three Bears module here. Whoops, had a little accident there. But you can see it's the standard Scotch yoke setup, where the rotating cam down below will rotate in that slot. This cam that we're about to see, that rotates with that offset. That wheel rotates with the offset cam, and then that rotates within that slot that I showed you a second ago, and that turns this rotating action into lateral action. Here's a quick look at the underside of the module. You can see that there's a little protective cover there on something. Let's find out what it is in a minute. I'm going to take the cover off here, and you can see that they've got that protecting a pulley and a drive belt. And I just cannot figure out why they put this in the exterior portion of the motor of the gear train. But in this case, I'm guessing that they're keeping grease away from it so the drive belt doesn't slip. And then if we take it apart to check out the gear train, here's what you get. You see there's one little gear underneath the cover,